Hi everybody, I'm Samuel Bottorf from Bridgeview, Illinois, and this is a TreeStuff.com review for the Petzl Eclipse Folding Cube. Now, it's not quite a cube because it's circular shaped, just to notice that. But if you're like me and you're looking for the ultimate throw cube, then you're not there quite yet, I don't think. I think this is great quality. I think this is awesome in so many ways, but there still are some downfalls from it. Just start with the good. It is circular shaped, and if you're like me and you're putting your gear away in your bag and you have a cube shaped throw line cube, like it's square shaped, it's gonna poke out the holes from the rods, and it's just gonna get ruined within like several months potentially. And so this one, you don't have that same problem. It's nice because it fits really easily in your rope bag, and then when you unfold it, it gets kind of funky. After like several uses, you'll figure it out and you'll get used to it. But then if somebody else from your crew tries to use it and they never use it, they'll get all messed up and they won't know what to do with it. It's nice because it does have this zippered bag that you keep it in, so it keeps it a little bit neater. And then also, it just the functionality of it is pretty good. After a while, it starts to get kind of warped and like oblong, so it won't stand straight up. Or with like the square